Hey everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we are going to create a privacy hedge. And so I went, and I can't believe what a great deal this was at Walmart. I never shop Walmart, but they had a bunch of great deals, and I feel like, especially for a hedge, it can only be what it is, you know? And so, but Walmart was selling, I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see these. These are arborvitaes. They're emerald green, and these will be about 10 to 12 feet high. And we have never really felt the need to put up privacy fences or anything like that, but our next door neighbor is actually looking at moving. So because they're looking at moving, we figured we better put in a privacy hedge now before that happens, so that it has time to grow in and it doesn't look like we got new neighbors and we put in a privacy hedge. So we want to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to show you where. These are the cutest little arborvitaes, but let's head over to the barnyard, because that's actually where we're going to do it at. So I'm gonna walk over there. So right here across our barnyard, where our chickens and our sheep are, this grass that I'm standing in is actually our neighbor's. And this, along this fence where Chris is digging, is where we're gonna put 50 of those arborvitaes across. So Christopher at the other end of the pasture is putting in an electric fence. And we're doing that because well, he told us, didn't you? Because while the arborvitaes are deer resistant, we're not sure if they're sheep resistant. So just in case, we're going to put up electric fencing to keep it from the sheep. I am not helping them today because I have tendonitis, really bad tendonitis in my shoulder and my left arm. So it makes it impossible for me to shovel, because you definitely need both hands to shovel. I'm going to try to help them as much as I can, but today I'm the camera guy. So I just thought maybe you would want to know why I wasn't helping anybody. Well, there you have it. Chris and Christopher, they planted, I guess it was about 30 trees. We have 21 trees left over. So that's gonna go for another project on another day, and we'll take you along. But again, if you wanna plant a hedge, arborvitaes are the way to go. They are indigenous to our country, which is rare, it seems. So they grow really well, and they're super easy to take care of. We're gonna water these trees in and make sure they have plenty of drip or watering for the very first year, and then after that, just water them when they're dry. So remember guys, if we can plant a privacy hedge, anybody can. Thanks, bye.